In this video, I will demonstrate an extremely precise support and resistance indicator that can help you trade breakouts. This indicator will enable you to pinpoint breakouts and make informed decisions on when to enter a position. By the way, if you wish to join my community, you can find the link to my Telegram group in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel as it helps us create more content like this for free. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's get started. First, let's go to Tradingview. Next, we will add the Backtesting key levels indicator to the chart. To do this, go to the Indicator Search tab and search for the Backtesting key levels indicator. Select the indicator created by Backtesting and add it to the chart. Before using the indicator, it's important to understand how it works. The indicator aims to identify 3 key points in price action: breakouts, false breakouts, and backchecks. By correctly identifying these 3 points, you can accurately predict the price movement and expected moves of an asset. Let's examine how to make trades using this indicator. In the case of a buy position, the line should be viewed as levels of support and resistance. In this scenario, we can see that the price has closed above the line, indicating that it has broken through a resistance point. Therefore, we will enter a buy position. We will set the stop loss at the recent swing low and target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio for the take profit. Let's see how the trade plays out. For a sell position, the approach is slightly different. Here we can see that the price has closed below the 2 lines, indicating that it has broken through a support point and the price is likely to fall further. With this knowledge, we will enter a sell position, setting the stop loss at the recent swing high and targeting a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio for the take profit. Now let's see how the trade plays out. By the way, if you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video. Through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $4,153. All right, let me continue. The Backtesting key levels indicator is quite powerful, but using it alone can result in false signals. To improve the strategy, we will add another indicator to the chart. Go to the Indicator Search tab and search for the rolling VWAP indicator. Select the indicator created by Tradingview and add it to the chart. Now, let's adjust the settings of the indicator. Go to the indicator settings and click on the Style tab. We will change the color of the rolling VWAP line to make it more visible and increase the line thickness. You can then close the Settings tab. We will use the VWAP indicator as a trend direction indicator, allowing us to filter out signals that go against the larger trend. As you can see, the price is currently trading above the VWAP line, which means we will ignore the short signals provided by the Backtesting key levels indicator. As you can observe, by using this indicator, we can eliminate many losing trades. However, to make the strategy as accurate as possible, we need one final confirmation indicator. So let's add this final indicator to the chart to complete the strategy. Go to the Indicator Search tab and search for the Super Trend Oscillator indicator. Select the indicator created by Lux Algo and add it to the chart. Then go to the indicator settings and navigate to the Style tab. We will remove the plot, lines, and labels since they are not needed for the strategy. We will also change the color and thickness of the signal line to make it more visible. With these changes, the strategy is now complete. Entry conditions. Now that the indicators are on the chart, let's review the trading conditions before entering a position. First, we will need for the price to be trading above the VWAP line. This indicates that we are currently in an uptrend. Secondly, we will need to take a look at the key levels indicator. We will need to make sure that the price has broken above the resistance line. This indicates that the market might be entering into a bullish trend. The last confirmation that we will need is from the super trend oscillator. The bar on the super trend oscillator will need to be green and above the blue signal line. Entry and exit signal. All of the conditions have been met, so we will enter into a buy position. We will be putting the stop loss at one of the levels or at the recent swing low. You can choose which one is best based on the current volatility of the market. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's take a look at how the trade will play out. For taking a short position, we need to satisfy these conditions. First, we will need for the price to be trading below the VWAP line. This indicates that we are currently in a downtrend. Secondly, we will need to take a look at the key levels indicator. We will need to make sure that the price has broken below the support line. This indicates that the market might be entering into a bearish trend. The last confirmation that we will need is from the super trend oscillator. The bar on the super trend oscillator will need to be red and below the blue signal line. Once all the conditions have been met, we will enter a short position. We will be putting the stop loss at one of the levels or at the recent swing high. You can choose which one is best based on the current volatility of the market. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's take a look at how the trade will play out. Backtesting. I hope you understand the rules of this strategy. Now, let's find out its win rate. I backtested this strategy 100 times. Now, here are the results. I've tried the strategy on Bitcoin using a 15-minute time frame. The total trade range reached 99 days with 60% win rate. If you have $1,000 as capital in your portfolio and use $50 per trade with 20 times leverage, you will end up having a 56.52% increase on your portfolio size, which will total to $1,565.2 in final account size. Now that's the end of the strategy. I hope you learned more in this video. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more videos like this. Also, I put my Telegram link in the description down below. You can join my Telegram community so you can be updated on my current affairs. As always, thank you for your time and see you on my next video. Goodbye.